Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Check Windows 11 build and the exact device model so drivers match. Once done, test the keyboard brightness keys and any external monitor OSD to rule out hardware. Next, open Device Manager and expand display adapters and monitors to see active devices. This tells you whether integrated GPU versus discrete adapter is present and if generic drivers are used. Make sure to note any yellow exclamation marks. They point to driver or resource conflicts you must resolve next. Now you perform the core fixes. Update the GPU driver using the OEM installer or the manufacturer's site rather than only Windows Update, because OEM packages include brightness management components. Then, in Device Manager, uninstall the generic PNP monitor and Microsoft Display Adapter drivers, check Delete Driver software if present, and scan for hardware changes to reinstall correct drivers. Also verify the Power Service and Windows Mobility Center are running. Since brightness controls depend on those system services, finish by confirming the brightness slider appears in Settings System Display and in Quick Settings. Adjust to verify behavior across apps. If you have an OEM control app or Intel, AMD, NVIDIA control panel, use it to change adaptive or panel-specific settings, because some panels override Windows. If brightness still fails, roll back the last driver in Device Manager or use System, restore to a known working point. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to test. If brightness works there, a third-party app or driver is causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.